How has the understanding of ancient Beringians changed over time? Have you ever wondered who the ancient Beringians were and how our understanding of them has evolved? These early inhabitants of Beringia, the land bridge that connected Asia and North America during the last ice age, have a fascinating history. Initially, knowledge about them was quite limited and often based on speculation. As time went on, archaeological and genetic research began to paint a clearer picture of their lives and movements. In the past, researchers believed that ancient Beringians were among the first humans to enter North America. However, the specifics of their origins were unclear. Recent genetic studies suggest that the ancient Beringian lineage formed between 20,000 and 25,000 years ago. This lineage is a mix of East Asian ancestry, which makes up about 65%, and ancient North Eurasian ancestry, which accounts for about 35%. This unique genetic heritage sets them apart from other Native American groups. Archaeological evidence, especially from sites linked to the Denali complex, dates back to around 12,500 to 6,000 years ago. This suggests that ancient Beringians entered North America between 16,000 and 12,500 years ago. They remained in East Beringia, which is roughly modern Alaska, until about 6,000 years ago. As more sites have been excavated and dated, we now see a longer and more complex occupation than previously thought. Migration routes of ancient Beringians have also been re-examined. Earlier models often suggested a single migration path. However, current research proposes multiple routes. One model indicates that around 15,000 years ago, ancient Beringians were in West Beringia, while other ancestral Native American groups moved into East Beringia. As the ice sheets melted, some groups moved through the ice-free corridor into the Americas, while ancient Beringians expanded into Alaska. This model also accounts for genetic evidence showing gene flow between ancient Beringians and some Native American groups. Understanding the environment of Beringia has also improved. During the Late Pleistocene, it was a mix of diverse ecosystems, including steppe tundra and patches of forest. This environment supported a rich community of large animals. Climate changes around 15,000 years ago led to warming and shifts in vegetation, which influenced human migrations and adaptations. Recent archaeological discoveries, like the Upward Sun River site in Alaska, have provided direct evidence of ancient Beringians. Remains of children found at this site date to around 14,100 years ago, indicating that ancient Beringians were established in the region by that time. This challenges earlier assumptions about when humans first colonized eastern Beringia and suggests a more diverse human presence during the Late Pleistocene. From an archaeological viewpoint, our understanding of ancient Beringians has shifted from seeing them as a simple early migrant group to recognizing them as a distinct population with unique cultural adaptations. This shift has implications for how Indigenous archaeology studies early peoples in North America. It highlights the importance of combining genetic data with material culture and environmental evidence to reconstruct past lives. This evolving understanding helps preserve and interpret archaeological sites linked to ancient Beringians. It also informs Indigenous heritage narratives and guides future research strategies focused on human migration and adaptation in Arctic and subarctic environments. Overall, the comprehension of ancient Beringians has become richer and more detailed, reflecting advances in archaeological methods, genetic analysis, and environmental reconstruction.